Hello guys, let's talk about matrices just on my channel. It's Math Time Question and Answers, a channel that gives you the insights about problem giving you headache at school. Today's question is from Cameroon GCE Board 2020 Question 10, and it talks about matrices. It says that given the matrix A 5 2 3 minus 1 and B minus 3 0 1 4, state the transpose of matrix A, and B find the matrix A minus B. So these are 2 by 2 matrices. To find the transpose of a 2 by 2 matrix, we simply exchange the rows and the columns. So we need to know what the rows and the columns of a matrix are. The rows of the matrix run from left to right, and the columns of a matrix run from top to bottom. So 2 and 5 is the first row of that matrix A, and the second row is 3 minus 1. Why? 5 3 is the first column and 2 minus 1 is the second column. So because this matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns, we call it a 2 by 2 matrix. So if a matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, we call it a 3 by 2 matrix. So the number of rows comes first and the number of columns comes second to give us the order of a matrix. Okay, for us to get the transpose of a matrix, we simply interchange the rows and the column. Therefore, in this solution, we interchange this 5 2 and 3 minus 1. 5 2 becomes become the column, and the 3 minus 1 will become a row. So the rows become the column. So we know the matrix to be that, and the matrix B is that. So the transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A to the power that T, and is equals to, we'll have the row to become the column and the column becomes the row. So 5 3 was the column, it now becomes a row, and 2 minus 1 was the row, was the column, it now becomes a row. So we interchange the row and the column. So that's how we get the transpose of a 2 by 2 matrix. The B part of this question says that we should look for A minus B. So one thing I want us to note is that for us to add or subtract two matrices, the matrices must have the same order, because we subtract the corresponding entities, meaning that what we subtract or add 5 and minus 3, 2 and 0, 3 and 1, minus 1 and 4. So if a matrix doesn't have the same order, we can't add or subtract those matrices. Since matrix A is a 2 by 2 and matrix B is a 2 by 2, we can subtract matrix B from matrix A. So we have A minus B is equals to 5 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 1 4. So for us to do this, we are going to subtract minus 3 from 5, 0 from 2, 1 from 3, 4 from minus 1 to give us 5 minus 3, this subtraction here, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 1 here, minus 1 minus 4 here. So if we simplify this, we are going to have 5 minus 3 minus becomes positive. So we are going to have 5 plus 3, which will give us 8, 2 minus 0, which will give us 2, 3 minus 1, which will give us 2, minus 1 minus 4, which will give us minus 5. Therefore, A minus B is going to be 8 2 minus 5. So that's how we transpose a matrix. That's how we add or subtract two matrices. Thank you guys for viewing, and stay with me on my channel. It's Math Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video so that it will get to those who need it most. Don't also forget to leave a comment on the comment section with the questions you want us to help you solve. Bye bye.